Can the police search your phone after a car accident? Well, unfortunately, car accidents happen all the time. Often police come to the scene to do their reports and everything else that they do. So in this scenario, we're going to use the name Tanner to protect the names of the innocent. And Tanner has a cell phone in his car, and the police come over to Tanner's car and say, "Hey, Tanner, give me your cell phone." Well, does Tanner have to give up the cell phone? Well, the Fourth Amendment protects people from searches and seizures of their house and their property, so the police would probably need to get a warrant in order to get Tanner's phone from him. But let's say Tanner is nervous and he hands the police officer the phone anyway, so now the police officer's got the phone. Well, now the police officer wants to look inside and says, "Hey, Tanner, give me your password." Well, does Tanner have to give up the password? Well, Tanner probably didn't have to give up the phone without a warrant, and Tanner probably doesn't have to give the password without a warrant, protected by the Fourth Amendment, but also the Fifth Amendment protects against self-incrimination. And so by speaking what the password is, you may potentially be incriminating yourself. However, some courts have ruled that when people have biometrics on their phone where you just do a fingerprint scan, potentially even facial recognition, and it unlocks the phone, you're not speaking, therefore it is not self-incrimination, so that might not be protected. So, and also keep in mind, in civil litigation, if the accident goes on for a while, the other side is going to be able to send a subpoena to the phone company, whether it's T-Mobile, Verizon, whatever, and they're going to get the phone records from the day of the accident. It'll show phone calls, text messages, things like that. So just be aware that that information is available. Be aware if you're backing up stuff automatically to the cloud, potentially that could be available too. So know your rights and don't use your phone while you're driving.